OWASP ZAP Tool Review Project. OWASP stands for Open Web Application Security Project, and it was founded in 2001. The Zed Attack Proxy tool was founded in 2010 by Simon Bennetts. OWASP ZAP is a free open source penetration testing tool with a graphical interface that is being maintained under the umbrella of the Software Security Project. The tool is written in Java and is available on major operating systems. ZAP is designed specifically for testing web applications. ZAP has many features. It can be used as a proxy server to manipulate all of the traffic that passes through it. It can perform passive and active scanning to view potential vulnerabilities. It can perform fuzzing to send many malform input data to test payloads. It performs scripting and spattering to determine the site structure and retrieve all links and URLs on a page. ZAP offers a wide range of add-ons contributed by the OWASP community that can help extend ZAP testing capacities. In a nutshell, ZAP scans the application and sends requests to the application that mimics attacks from attackers. ZAP then assesses the responses it receives from the application and identifies any potential vulnerabilities that may exist. ZAP would be used in web application security testing, penetration testing, secure development, and automated security testing. ZAP would be useful in scanning the vulnerabilities of applications, customable and fuzz testing, and session management. ZAP does have some limitations. It can provide false positives when reporting vulnerabilities, can also provide false negatives where it can miss vulnerabilities. For ZAP to be successful, the user needs to define the scope of their testing and configure the tool correctly to the specification of the intended target. This is the OWASP ZAP app. Like I mentioned before, it is to scan websites for vulnerabilities. The website that we'll be scanning is a specific website that allows that has vulnerabilities for testing purposes. It's called testphp.vulnweb.com. So the first thing I will be doing is click on the launch browser, and then we'll in the URL for the app, and then we'll just put in the fake login information it tells us to do, and we'll log in, and then we'll go back to the ZAP app here, and as you can see here, it has detected the website, and then it has detected the activity to log in. From here, what we'll do is spider the website. So we'll be collecting all the information for each page. Here you can see that it has gone through each page and gathered the information. Now to do a active scan, we'll click on this and enable it. So, so the active scan will go through and send requests such as attacks, and then see what vulnerabilities the website has. You can also customize the policies, such as what you can or you want to attack, um, how frequent, and the threat levels. So all that is customizable. This is going to take a little bit, so I will go ahead and come back when it's finished. Okay. The OWASP ZAP app has completed the active scan, and it did 9,662 requests, and it did find 3 high-risk vulnerabilities, which here we can go to Alert tab, and we can see that it was the scripting, the cross-site scripting, the remote, and the SQL injection. If you open up the tab here and double click on one of the requests, you can see the details on it. Uh, the the attack that was made was this right here, that it was successful. Um, Here's the description and other details. One of the things that we can do is verify the vulnerability by right-clicking on it and going to open its URL in browser. And what we should see is a pop-up message with a number 1 that indicates that there was an injection, and it looks like a script injection to this website. And you can see that there it is. All right, so now if we go back to our WASP, you can see that there is a SQL injection, and we will be looking into that here next. Regarding the SQL injection alert message, we're going to be looking at this specific issue, which is the product page. If you double click on it, it will give you additional information about the alert. We're going to be fuzzing this specific page with this parameter. We're going to add the payload, which is the SQL injection. Fuzzing is sending malform input data to the application. We're going to be using the SQL injection 101, and here will give us a result. Usually when it comes out with this reflected, it means that it's possible for the injection that was successful. If we right click on it and go to the browser, we can see that there was an actual error message. That means that there was a successful SQL injection. We're going to try to brute force the login for this web page by using the fuzzing feature. We're going to start with the username. We were going to add payload. We can use dictionaries, but for this example, we'll just add some strings. Now we're going to add the password field. And for the payload, we'll be doing the same thing, just adding some strings. Now we're going to select this option where it allows it to follow the read directions if there's any. And we'll start the fuzzing. Here you can see that this one here has a higher size of response, and that gives us a good indication that that did work. OWASP ZAP was installed in a Kali Linux machine that allowed me to present OWASP ZAP tool. OWASP ZAP is a powerful and versatile tool. ZAP plays a vital role in identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities within web applications. This tool provides a good experience and tools for beginners and professionals. OWASP community is a good resource and provides in-depth documentation for web application vulnerabilities.